Hi friends, welcome to another extreme clean with me. This one is pretty dang bad because I have been under the weather. I've been pretty sick with the horrible head cold. As you can probably tell in my voice, I still have it. And I've been so busy with work and watching other people's kids. And yeah, I have just been so incredibly busy with life in general. So my house has definitely gotten very messy. And believe it or not, my living room was incredibly clean yesterday. But that was before I babysat a bunch of kids. So you're going to see the huge mess in my living room. So I'm giving you a fair warning. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of cleaning on the dining room table, just tidying it up a little bit because I promised my kids that after school today they can carve their pumpkins. So I'm just getting it all set up and prepared for them. But on the left side, you can see a bunch of clutter. That is actually stuff I am going to be donating. You will see a bunch of boxes and bags probably too in this video. That is just stuff that I'm going to be taking to Goodwill. Some of it I'm going to be taking to my work to hopefully consign too. So I just have to sort through it. But I will show you at the end of this video the big pile of stuff I am going to be taking to Goodwill, and I hope you guys will be proud of me. See, I wasn't kidding. It's pretty scary. So right here, Riley is actually really upset because I'm putting away his books. He loves books. I read to him every day. Last night I actually read to him 10 books. Not even kidding, not joking. 10 books, and one of them I read a couple times because it's his favorite. So this boy loves books. He loves to read, and he loves when I read to him. So he's really upset right here as I'm putting away his books, and he's upset because he tried to take Mommy's Dutch Brothers drink, and I took that away from him because there's coffee in it, and he's only 2. So he's not happy with me either for that, but he does want to cuddle, so I am always up for a good cuddle. And like always, you will definitely see my shadow, Penny, my cute little corgi dog. She follows me everywhere. She is my right-hand girl. She's always in my cleaning videos, and she'd be in every video she could be, but some videos I just don't show the floor where she normally is. So you will definitely see her probably a lot in this video. And now I'm going to put Riley onto the couch, get him all cozy and comfy, and just have him relax and snuggle up so I could finish cleaning up the living room. And in this book right here, it has some fun Halloween recipes in, and I'm going to use one of them or get an inspiration from one of them for my last Tasty Tuesday, which will actually end up being a Wicked Wednesday recipe video for Halloween for this year. After that, it's going to go probably to fall food, but because Wicked Wednesday is going to be actually Halloween, it'll be the last Halloween treat one for this year. So I hope you guys do enjoy that and definitely watch it. Stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
Yes, I know my couch is a disaster. It has tons of stains on it and is torn up. But you know what? It's going to work until we can afford to get a new one. And right here, unfortunately, I accidentally stepped on my baby, stepped on Riley's foot or leg or something, and I'm just giving him loves because it did not feel good for him, and I felt so bad. But he is all okay now. And my tip is, if you have a couch like this, head over to Ross or TJ Maxx and sometimes even Costco and look for a king size blanket that would match the color of your couch or a color that you would like for your couch. And it's so inexpensive when you get it from there. I think I got this blanket from Ross for about $18 and it covers the whole couch and I just love it and it's so soft. So excuse the glare on the top left hand corner. I have my lighting kit on and it's just where it can be, and unfortunately in this video on this part it is just glowing right there and it's just really bright, so I really do apologize for that if it bothers you. And then the top right hand corner you'll see like a chip box and a bunch of clutter. That's actually stuff that's going to Goodwill, so that's another bunch of stuff.
Much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful just the way you are, just the way you came? Don't you know?
And now to put the baby swing into the garage, I just have to condense it a little bit and then put it in there because I'm not going to have the baby here until next week to watch her, so I don't have to have it out here taking up a lot of space. And yes, I know I have stained up carpet. Hey, I'm real. I am a real mess. And I have not had a chance to shampoo it for a while. So yes, if the stains do bother you, I apologize. But it's my real life and it's a lot of other people's real life as well. And I don't mean to offend anybody by having stains on my carpet. But that's just my life at this moment. And I'm going to shampoo the carpet as soon as I can. But you know, the stains come back up, and there's some stains that come back up from the previous people that rented this place. So I do apologize if it bugs you, but that's just my life. So I left the vacuum noise in this video because I know that some people actually request to have it because they enjoy hearing it, and it's just more motivating if they can actually hear the work being done. So that's what I did for you guys. I hope you liked it. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was motivating, and thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet. Have a great day guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.